For new recipe every Wednesday, please subscribe my channel. It's free and press bell icon so you get notification when I upload new videos.
Namaste ji, welcome to Itnaa Tasty Hai Cooking with Elsa, Nilaj, your daughter-in-law from Albania. Friends, today's recipe, it's a very fast recipe, it's a breakfast. It is called Upma. It just takes 5 to 10 minutes and it is ready. So let's check ingredients. We need raw Upma, carrot, oil, mustard seed, green chilli, curry pata leaves, coriander leaves, coriander powder, red chili powder, salt, oregano, onion. So let's start. First we'll heat the pan and we are going to add oil. You can add at least 4 to 5 spoons, that it depends how much you want to add, is optional. Let's add. And when the oil it is heated, I'm going to add mustard seed. Now we can add mustard seed. Just add 1 spoon. And let it fry a little bit. Here we have curry pata leaves. And green chilli. Just cut the green chilli very small piece. Okay. Keep mixing. Let it fry for a little bit. And in the same time, we can add onion, 1 medium-sized onion. Don't add too much. And keep mixing. Keep the gas medium and let it fry for some time. See, when the onion is 50% fried, now we can add carrot. So what you do with the carrot, just cut in a very small pieces. It should look like this, very small, and in a cube shape, because when we serve the upma it should look beautiful. So now just add the carrot and we don't need to fry for long. Just keep mixing it. Onion is ready. So now what we can do is keep the gas a little slow and we are going to add a little salt. Okay, add at least 1 spoon. Keep mixing. I'm gonna add a little red chili and a little coriander powder. थोड़ा से, ज़्यादा मत करो. A little bit, just to give that taste. And mix it. And now fry just for a little bit in a slow flame, that the powder should not burn. Now it's ready. See, it's looking so nice. It's little brown. And now it's time to add water. So we are using 1 bowl of upma. If we are using 1 bowl of upma, it means we are going to add 2 bowls of water. It needs to be double. So now we have water here and it is ready. I'm going to add 2 bowls of water. See, water is boiling and now it's time to add upma. So what we have to do is the very tricky part. Just add upma immediately like this, and immediately we have to mix only 1 time. We cannot keep mixing again and again. Just mix it. See how now it looks, and keep the gas in a medium flame. Upma is ready. Let's check it. Yes, upma is ready, and now it's time to dish out. Upma is ready, and it is very fast recipe. See, it is looking very yummy. So I'm gonna try now. After long, I'm trying a recipe. बहुत बहुत अच्छा. So this was the week's recipe, and it is a very fast recipe. So please do cook and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. So we are going to meet next week. Till then, namaste, dhanyavad.